Most local businesses in the USA are wasting thousands on broken Google Ads campaigns. Here's the high-ticket secret. If you know how to fix them, you can charge premium consulting fees and instantly stand out in the USA market. Think about it. A local dentist, gym, or restaurant in the USA might be spending big on ads that don't convert. They are frustrated, losing leads, and desperate for someone who can make their campaigns profitable. That's where you come in. By auditing campaigns, fixing keyword targeting, tightening ad copy, and optimizing landing pages, you save USA businesses money and generate new customers. The ROI is undeniable, and that's why you can confidently charge high-ticket consulting fees. Position yourself as the USA Google Ads fixer. Share quick wins, highlight case studies, and emphasize results. Businesses don't care about hours worked, they care about outcomes, and outcomes justify premium pricing. So if you want to break into consulting, stop chasing low-pay gigs. Start fixing broken Google Ads campaigns for local brands in the USA, and you will attract premium clients ready to pay top dollar for your expertise.